Hi everyone, my name is Brandon and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about VitalFlow before you actually buy this product. I also have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you in this video. The first thing you need to know about VitalFlow is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy VitalFlow, as VitalFlow is only sold on the official website of the manufacturer. There are fake websites selling this product, so be careful. To help you, I left the link of official website below in the description of this video. So what is VitalFlow and does this supplement really work? And the answer is yes, VitalFlow works, it's an amazing product. After extensive laboratory testing, researchers have identified a natural formula with powerful, quality ingredients that work at the root cause of prostate enlargement. This happens due to the high level of DHT which must be below the threshold level. Almost 90% of men face this problem and this supplement acts as a solution to it without causing any side effects. Its manufacturing company claims that this product will solve this problem that most drugs cannot solve. Overall, VitalFlow's ingredient formula is made with 34 active ingredients. They are all taken from organic or natural sources. The formulation is made after a lot of research on each ingredient. Each of them has a crucial role to play in solving this problem. So yes, you can trust this product, there are many people having great results with VitalFlow and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I'm saying this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. Another important thing about this product that you need to know before you buy it is, you can actually try VitalFlow for 60 days and if you don't get results, if you don't like it for whatever reason, they'll give you your money back. Just contact them within the first 60 days of purchase. Plus, VitalFlow offers free shipping to the US. But be careful, for VitalFlow to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, it is best to take one VitalFlow capsule twice a day. Take the VitalFlow pill at least 20 to 30 minutes before meals and with a glass of water. It's essential to respect the dosage instructions and do not exceed the recommended dose. You may see initial results within the first month, but there are reports of people having better results after 3 months of using this product. It is also important to know that VitalFlow has no side effects as it is 100% natural, stimulant-free, manufactured in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. It is a completely safe supplement. This video has come to an end, guys. I hope I helped you and don't forget that VitalFlow is only sold on the manufacturer's official website, I even put the official link below in the description of this video. If you also buy VitalFlow, get the exact treatment, take it seriously and remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's because your body works in a unique way. I hope that VitalFlow will also help you with all the benefits that this supplement provides. Have a great week, bye.